If you've ever tried breaking up hard soil with a shovel or struggled to prepare your garden for planting, you already know how much the right walk-behind tiller can matter. The problem is that not all tillers perform the same way. Some are great for light garden beds but struggle with compact soil. Others deliver serious power but may be better suited for larger areas. That's why we put together this list of the 7 best walk-behind tillers. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these walk-behind tillers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Built Hard 46 cubic centimeters. This is the most budget-friendly gas tiller on our list. What makes this one stand out is the strong gas power you get without spending a lot. It runs on a 46 cubic centimeter 4-cycle engine that produces 1,400 watts of peak power and can reach 9,200 revolutions per minute. That means you can break through compact soil without the machine struggling. And since it's a 4-cycle engine, you don't have to mix gas and oil. Now, once you begin tilling, the cutting system really shows its strength. The machine uses 6 forward rotating steel blades along with 4 angled tines. Together, they give you a 16-inch working width and up to 8 inches of tilling depth. Using the tiller also feels very straightforward. The one-hand control panel lets you manage the thumb, throttle, and power switch easily while you guide the machine. And the ergonomic dual grip handles help keep the tiller balanced as you move through your garden rows. And starting the engine is simple too. The automatic reset choke lever and compression release system help the machine start quickly. And when you're finished working, the foldable handles make storage much easier in your shed or garage. So if you want strong gas-powered performance while staying low cost, this one is a great choice. Number 6 is the Greenworks 40 volt. This is the best cordless tiller on our list. Instead of dealing with fuel or extension cords, you run this thing on a 40 volt battery system. Now, the included 4.0 ampere hour battery delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime. You get plenty of time to loosen soil, prepare beds, or mix compost before needing a recharge. And once it runs down, it fully charges in about 120 minutes. When it comes to performance, the steel tines do a great job breaking up compact soil and turning it into loose planting-ready dirt. At the same time, the adjustable tilling width from 8.25 to 10 inches helps you work comfortably in tighter rows or slightly larger areas. And since the machine is lightweight with 6-inch rear wheels, guiding it around your garden feels smooth and easy. Plus, the maintenance-free design means no gas, no oil, and no emissions to deal with. So if you want a tiller that gives you true cordless convenience, this one makes gardening a lot easier. Number 5 is the Mantis 7940. This is the most lightweight tiller on our list. The first thing you'll notice is how light it feels. This tiller weighs only 24 pounds, so moving it around your garden is very easy. You can guide it through tight rows without struggling, and even though it's lightweight, it still delivers strong performance. It runs on a Honda 25 cubic centimeters 4-cycle engine. That gives you smooth and reliable power. Then once the tines start spinning, the soil begins to loosen quickly. The blades can reach 240 revolutions per minute, so they break through dirt fast and help you prepare your garden beds with less effort. You also get a finger-controlled throttle, which makes it easy to adjust the speed. If the soil is softer, you can slow things down. If it's tougher, you can give it more power. And when you're done, the built-in kickstand makes parking the tiller simple. Just set it down and store it away. And yeah, it's also made in the United States and backed by a 2-year limited warranty. So if you want a tiller that's lightweight and very easy to handle, this one is a great pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the walk-behind tillers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Sunjoe TJ604E. This is the best electric value tiller on our list. Right away, what makes this one stand out is the strong electric power you get for everyday garden work. It runs on a 13.5 amp motor, and the tines can spin at up to 370 RPM. So when you start tilling, it cuts through the soil quickly and helps you prepare beds for planting or weed control without much effort. Then, once you begin working the ground, you'll notice how nicely it covers space. The tiller can cultivate up to 16 inches wide and dig down to about 8 inches deep. Because of that, you can prepare larger garden areas faster and spend less time going back and forth. The cutting system also plays a big role here. It uses 6 angled steel tines, and they really dig into the soil. As they spin, they break up dirt and leave you with loose, plant-ready soil that's perfect for flowers, vegetables, or new garden beds. And at the same time, the machine feels easy to guide. It comes with 3-position wheel adjustments, which help you move smoothly across your yard or garden rows. And when you're done working, the foldable handle makes storage simple, so it doesn't take up much space in your garage or shed. And here's what Susan says. It is powerful and small, great for a small yard or garden patch. It folds away for storage. Easy cleanup. So if you want a powerful electric tiller that delivers excellent value, this one's a great pick. Number 3 is the Champion 19-inch rear tine. This is the most powerful tiller on our list. This one runs on a 212 cubic centimeter gas engine, and you can feel that power as soon as the tines hit the soil. If you're working with compact ground or starting a brand new garden area, that extra power really helps. It pushes through tough dirt without struggling. Then the tilling system takes that power and puts it to work. The machine uses counter-rotating tines, which dig deep and break up hard soil very effectively. At the same time, you get a 19-inch tilling width and up to 8 inches of tilling depth. That means you can cover more ground while still creating a deep, well-prepared planting bed. The build quality is also very solid. The cast iron gear-driven transmission sits inside a heavy-duty cast iron housing, and moving the tiller around feels easier than you might expect. The 13-inch self-propelled agricultural tires provide strong traction on uneven ground. They help pull the tiller forward, so you spend less effort pushing and more time guiding it. Plus, the cutting system is just as tough. The 4-hardened steel tines measuring 13.8 inches are designed to chew through stubborn soil and keep working reliably over time. And it also comes with a 2-year limited warranty along with free lifetime technical support. So if you want maximum power for breaking tough soil, this one's a great choice. Number 2 is the Earthquake Pioneer Dual Direction. This is the best dual direction tiller on our list. What really makes this tiller stand out is how easily it lets you switch between different tilling styles depending on the job. You can run it in counter-rotating tine mode when you need strong digging power to break sod or compact soil. Then you can switch to standard rotating tine mode to smooth everything out and create a clean seed bed for planting. That flexibility makes a big difference when you're working through different stages of garden prep. And the machine runs on a 127 cubic centimeter Briggs & Stratton 4-cycle engine. Plus, it delivers steady, reliable power while staying smooth during operation. It feels balanced while you work, which helps keep things comfortable when you're moving through your garden rows. Another feature you'll appreciate is the frustration-free shifting system. Instead of fighting with gears, you simply slide the shift handle into the mode you want. The locator plate helps guide the handle. So switching between modes feels quick and very straightforward. And when you need to reposition the tiller, the instant reverse feature makes things much easier. Just pull the handle and the machine moves backward right away. Let go and it goes forward again. It's a simple feature, but it really helps when you're maneuvering in tighter spaces. The overall design also feels very stable. The airless wheels with steel rims give you strong traction and you never have to worry about dealing with flat tires. And you also get dual grip handlebars, which allow you to guide the tiller with one hand while stepping slightly to the side of your row. So if you want the versatility of dual direction tilling, this machine does it beautifully. Number 1 is the Toro 58603 rear tine. This is the best overall tiller on our list. What really makes this tiller stand out is how well it balances power, versatility, and ease of use. It runs on a 127 cubic centimeter Briggs & Stratton 4-cycle engine, which gives you steady and reliable performance. Whether you're preparing garden beds or breaking into tougher soil, the engine provides the strength you need to get the job done. And just like many professional-style tillers, this model gives you dual direction tine operation. The counter-rotating tines are great when you need to break sod or start a brand new garden area. Then, when it's time to refine the soil, you can switch to standard rotating tines to create a smoother, more even seed bed for planting. Another feature that makes this tiller very convenient is the instant reverse system. Instead of stopping and shifting gears, you simply pull the reverse handle. The machine moves backward right away. That makes repositioning much easier when you're working in tighter spaces. Plus, controlling the tiller also feels very comfortable. The easy shifting transmission helps you change modes smoothly. And the 1 or 2 handed operation option gives you flexibility depending on how you prefer to guide the machine across your garden rows. And the overall build is also designed to last. The airless tires will never go flat, and the heavy-duty stamped steel tines are made to handle repeated tilling without wearing down quickly. You also get a 17-inch tilling width and up to 10 inches of tilling depth. That helps you cover ground efficiently while preparing rich soil for planting. And here's what John says: easy to assemble, very strong. It never bogged down while turning hard-packed soil. It has a fuel cutoff that allows you to run the bowl of the carburetor dry. This prevents the carb jets from varnishing. I love it! So if you want the most balanced performance across power, versatility, and control, this one is the complete package. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect walk-behind tiller. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each walk-behind tiller. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.